What's up, DCS crew? It's Carlos and welcome back to Daily Carry Solutions. Now we have a special presentation today that's been in the making for quite some time, and I'm proud to say it's been a collaborative effort between DCS and Nivardo Beaton, who owns MIA Blade Works in Miami, Florida. Now, Nivardo and his wife were at the Bradford USA booth during Blade Show 2018 here in Atlanta, and if you've seen some of my past videos, his wife was actually the one who presented the Bradford Guardian knives in my Blade Show video. We exchanged information, and Nivardo and I got to talking a bit during the weeks following Blade Show as I've been reviewing some knives for Kizer. Now there's one knife in particular that I've been carrying pretty often from Kizer's Vanguard series, and that's the Dux, which is a design from knife maker Matt Cuchiarra. The action is great, the construction is sturdy, and it carries really well being as lightweight as it is. And for less than 70 bucks, you're getting a really good quality lightweight flipper with VG10 steel from Kizer's Vanguard line. Now there's one glaring detail that keeps the knife from being a must-buy on everyone's radar and a perfect 10 in my book. And that's the flipper tab on this guy. I mean, it really fits the definition of a pocket pecker. It sticks out like a sore thumb, and you can bet it's going to peck on everything inside of your pocket. In fact, with the right angle, it kind of looks like a bird's beak too. So simply put, this knife is in desperate need of a nose job. This is the Barbra Streisand of knives. So I wanted to do something special with this knife, and I ended up reaching out to Nivardo at MIA Blade Works and asked if he could take a look at it for me. Normally he prefers working with USA made knives, but he agreed to do a little bit of plastic surgery and mod the knife a bit for me. And just like that, the Kizer Dux was headed down to sunny 305 Miami, Florida. Now for those of you who are unfamiliar, MIA Blade Works offers professional sharpening services and is an authorized dealer for companies like Bradford USA, Hinderer Knives, Wicked Edge Sharpeners, and several others. Over the years, he's worked on everything from fishing knives to tactical folders, and if you want a professional edge on your blade, he is the guy, and this is the place. So for more info, be sure to check out his website at miabladeworks.com. So after receiving the knife, Nivardo looked it over and went through a few plans with me. At the end of the day, we decided on a partial delete to reduce the flipper tab a bit, and after looking at the edge, he told me that the knife grind was a little bit uneven, so we planned on reprofiling the edge and giving it a nice mirror shine. Here's some of the footage from his lab while working on the Kizer Dux. So here's the Kizer Dux after receiving it back from the MIA Blade Works treatment. As you can see, Nivardo did some excellent work to the knife, and the action is still as smooth as it was when I first shipped it to him. It's got a reprofiled mirror edge, and the nose job on the flipper tab looks phenomenal. Even went so far as to polish the portion underneath the flipper, and if I didn't know any better, I'd say that this is how it was originally supposed to come. I'd like to give a huge thanks to Nivardo for taking the time to work on this project, and folks, the proof is in the pudding right here. If you need some quality work done to your knives, MIA Blade Works is the place to go. Like I said before, he's also an authorized distributor for Rick Hinderer knives, Bradford USA, Flex Drops, Wicked Edge sharpeners, Frog Loop. I mean, yeah, you get the point. So check out his website at miabladeworks.com when you get a chance. This was a fun little project, and I can't wait to do more stuff like this in the future. Be sure to follow MIA Blade Works and Daily Carry Solutions on Instagram, and if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to the channel so that you are the first to know when the next video is up on YouTube. Thanks so much for watching, and remember, if you EDC, think of DCS. DailyCarrySolutions.com. Take care, everyone, and until next time, I will see you soon.